So today I decided to take you all to the eastern part of Nigeria, Enugu State to be precise. The reason why I decided to give them this credit is because I had this soup first in Enugu State and I enjoyed every bit of it. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Uju and you are highly welcome. Please consider smashing that subscribe button, okay? And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching as always. So today we'll be making Ogbono soup with bitter leaf. Bitter leaf is also known as Onubu leaves. So let's just get right into this video. So in a bowl I transferred the ogbono, okay? So I'm going to be adding some palm oil, then stir to combine, okay? We want to dissolve. If there are lumps in the ogbono, we want to dissolve it to get a finer, smoother texture, okay? Then set this aside. So in a pot I transferred the cooked beef, pre-cooked beef, okay, and I added some cow skin as well. I'm also going to be adding the meat stock and then stockfish fillet. I'll be seasoning this with some seasoning cubes. These are beef seasoning, and then topping it up with some salt, okay? Stir it to combine and then cover to bring to a boil. So this has been boiling so nicely. I'll go ahead and add the blended okpei and habanero pepper, okay? You can use locust bean for this recipe. Then I also added my deboned mangala fish, known as dry fish as well, okay? Stir it to combine and then cover to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. So this is after 7 minutes, okay? I noticed that the pot won't be enough for this recipe, so I had to transfer to a big enough pot. So I'll go ahead and add the ogbono at this point, okay? Yeah, the ogbono is smooth as you can see. Yeah, stir this to combine. I'm going to cover this and allow to cook for 10 minutes. So this is after 10 minutes. It has been cooking so nicely. I went ahead and added grounded crayfish. It needed more salt, so I added some salt and some seasoning cubes. Because bitter leaf is a strong vegetable, or rather it is usually tougher than the other vegetables, I'll be adding it at this point so that it can cook nicely, okay? Go ahead and add that bitter leaf. Add that bitter leaf, girl. Then stir it to combine, okay? So I noticed that the bitter leaf won't be enough, so I went ahead and added some more. Just add as much as you like, okay? Yes, I also stirred it to combine. You have to stir properly at this point, okay? Then cover to cook for 5 minutes. So this has been cooking nicely for 5 minutes, guys. Look at that soup. Tell me what you'll be enjoying this soup with. Tell me. So I went ahead and added my shredded uziza leaves, which is totally optional, okay? You can do with or without uziza leaf for this recipe, but because I love the flavor and the taste, I added some uziza leaves. So I'm going to stir it to combine, and at this point this soup is ready. Like, it is ready, guys. Tell me what you'll be enjoying this soup with. I enjoyed mine with some wheat, of course, and it was totally worth it. Thank you so much. If you've watched up until now, do not forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you've not, turn on notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I make an upload. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.